What if I told you that the most revolutionary car of 2026 isn't a six-figure electric supercar, but a humble hatchback that has secretly stolen the best technology from the luxury segment? If you think you know what a budget car looks like, well, prepare to have your expectations completely redefined. We're diving deep into the 2026 Dacia Sandero to uncover 10 jaw-dropping features that are currently flying under the radar, including a secret fuel-saving mode and a cabin transformation that really defies its price tag. You'll want to stick around for feature number 10, because it's a personalization game-changer that even some premium German brands haven't perfected yet. Prepare to have your perception of budget motoring completely shattered, because the 2026 Sandero isn't just an incremental update, it's a full-scale revolution disguised as your favorite practical small car. For years, Dacia has been the king of just enough, providing exactly what you need and nothing more. But for 2026, the script has flipped. This isn't just about the lowest price tag on the market anymore. Dacia has injected genuinely surprising technology and design flair into this refresh that honestly, few people are talking about yet, and it's making the competition look very nervous. Did you know that the new Sandero features a lighting signature so futuristic, it mimics high-end concept cars? The first thing that'll catch your eye is the redesigned front fascia, which introduces feature number 1, the advanced Pixel Y lighting identity. The 2026 model boasts a bold, inverted T light signature, but with a twist, sophisticated LED pixel detailing that creates a three-dimensional effect. This isn't just a simple facelift to keep the car looking fresh. This is Dacia, stamping its new, rugged and modern identity on the road. It ensures that even from a distance or in the rear-view mirror of a car costing 3 times as much, the 2026 Sandero looks far more premium than its price suggests. The light units themselves are more compact and efficient, using a new refractive lens technology that provides a wider, more consistent beam for night driving, proving that safety and style can definitely go hand in hand. If you thought Dacia was lagging in the digital arms race, think again, because feature number 2 is an absolute game-changer for the segment. We're moving inside for the next revelation. We're talking about the high-definition SmartLink connectivity suite. This is headlined by a brilliant 10-inch central touchscreen that is faster and more responsive than anything we've seen from the brand before. But the real secret sauce here is the seamless lag-free integration of wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. While many budget cars still require you to fumble with cables, Dacia has paired this wireless connectivity with a built-in wireless smartphone charger, located perfectly in the center console. This comes standard on higher trims, meaning cable clutter is officially a thing of the past. The interface has been completely redesigned with a one-touch philosophy, ensuring you spend less time menu diving and more time with your eyes on the road. You've seen the outside tech, but wait until you step inside, because the cabin materials are where Dacia is closing the perception gap with feature 5. Forget the era of scratchy, gray, hollow plastics. Feature number 5 is the tactile textile interior revolution. The 2026 Sandero introduces new hard-wearing textiles across the cabin, most notably the denim-like dashboard and door armrest material. This wasn't just a random choice. This fabric is made from recycled fibers, and is designed to be incredibly resistant to UV fading and physical wear. This choice signals a massive shift toward tactile quality and robust longevity. It gives occupants a more substantial, comfortable feeling that completely contradicts the segment's historical reputation for cheap, fragile interiors. When you touch the dashboard, it feels warm and intentional, creating an atmosphere that punches way above its weight class. What if I told you that Dacia is offering a secret weapon against rising fuel costs that nobody seems to be focusing on? Feature number 3 is the ecog G+ enhanced powertrain. While the world screams about full electrification, Dacia understands the transition needs to be affordable. They have confirmed the availability of an enhanced 1-liter turbo petrol engine, now pushed to 110 horsepower for better highway merging. Crucially, it maintains and optimizes its seamless compatibility with LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. This isn't just an afterthought. The 2026 system features a new high-pressure injection system for the gas, meaning you get the same performance regardless of which fuel you're burning. For the value-conscious buyer, this dual-fuel capability translates directly into dramatically lower running costs and a combined range that can exceed 1,000 kilometers on a single fill-up of both tanks. You might assume the rugged stepway version is just cosmetic cladding, but Dacia engineered something truly specific for off-the-beaten-path drivers, with feature number 4. The 2026 stepway isn't just a Sandero on stilts, it introduces the Armor Guard protective striping. Look closely at the rear and you'll see a new, heavily grooved matte black protective strip running strategically between the rear lights and across the redesigned bumper. This isn't just a design choice to make the car look tough. It's a functional piece of engineering specifically designed to resist scratches, scuffs, and stone chips encountered on rural roads or during adventurous weekend trips. Dacia realized their owners actually use these cars in the wild, so they reinforce the areas most prone to damage. It's this commitment to real-world durability that reinforces the Sandero's identity as a car built for life, not just for the showroom. If you're worried about the complexity of modern safety systems overwhelming a simple car, Dacia has integrated a surprisingly discreet guardian with feature 6. Safety is often where budget cars compromise, but not here. Beneath the surface, the suite of advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, includes feature number 6, the Guardian Eye Drowsiness Detection System. Unlike some systems that scream at you for looking away for 1 second, this system is calibrated to be subtle. It monitors minute steering inputs and facial cues via a discrete sensor, providing timely, non-intrusive alerts when it detects patterns of fatigue. It proves that essential next-generation safety technology isn't reserved just for premium flagships. Dacia has managed to integrate this without making the car feel bossy, keeping the driving experience pure while adding a vital safety net for long journeys. And finally, feature 10 proves that even value-focused brands are embracing personalization in a major way. While the new sandstone exterior color is grabbing all the headlines, the real surprise is feature number 10, the Digital Soul Interface Customization. Through the expansion of the Style My Sandero app integration, owners can now customize the graphical interface of their 7-inch driver display. This isn't just changing colors, you can choose which datasets are prioritized, and even change the welcome animation on the 10-inch central screen via a simple smartphone sync. It lets budget buyers express their personality and makes the car feel truly theirs from the moment they step inside. The 2026 Dacia Sandero is a masterclass in smart engineering. It proves that design, efficiency, and modern tech can coexist perfectly without breaking the bank. It isn't just the best value car on the market, it's becoming one of the most thoughtful cars on the market. Period. If these 10 hidden gems have convinced you that the new Sandero is the smartest purchase you could make this year, then the future of motoring is looking very bright indeed.